Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your business account on Instagram to a personal account. Let's dive in. First thing, you want to launch the Instagram app, then you want to hit the lower right corner. Then when you're at your profile, you want to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. When you're at there, you want to focus on settings and privacy, first option. Then you want to scroll down to the section that is named for professionals. You want to click on business tools and control. When you're at business tools and controls, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and you would find that you could simply switch account type. Okay, this is where you can switch from business account to personal, from business account to creator account. As you can see, currently I have a business account, right? And I had the options to switch to these both two accounts, back to personal and back to creator account. What is the main benefit of this? Well, first of all, if you want to make your account private, right? If you want to make your account private, you cannot still have a business account because you cannot make business account private. You have to go back to either a personal account or creator account, and after you switch, you can go back and you can make your account private. This is one of the main benefits because you will be able to hide your followers, your following list, your content. Otherwise, with the business account, you cannot hide none of these. This is how you turn your account from business to personal account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.